vortex. I'm trying to be responsible. I know that's very weird for me, especially considering the fact that I'm a comedian. Look, I'm trying to put you on the tripod, okay? This is a responsible tool, okay? This is what professionals use. Because I am so professional. Now the main reason I'm using this is because I want to still be able to shoot videos in my car, but I don't think that it's a good idea that I have them on the dashboard anymore. I don't want to be focused on the camera, you know, I want to be focused on my driving. So, this is where you're going to be, vortex. You like that? Do you like that? Better like that. I have this big ass bag. Nothing will knock the camera out of place. Hopefully the camera won't shake. But no promises. Probably will shake. Okay? I can wrap up the vortex in a little blanket. Oh, you see this? You see this? This is called an honest effort. Okay? My friend fixed my car last night. He was working on it for about 3 hours. That noise that you hear in the back, I'll show it to you later on. He took the part back there. I busted up the tail light. That's what happens when you hit a guardrail. But I have actually renamed this car. For those of you that are new to this channel, you won't be here for very long because I'm sure you're a fucking pussy. I had named this car Thelonious, after one of my favorite jazz musicians. But I realized that it made more sense to name this car Miles. So, this car's long name was originally Thelonious Miles Coltrane. This car's new name is Miles Thelonious Coltrane. You guys like what I did here? You like that little switcheroo? Does it make you think of Seinfeld? Sorry if the camera is shaking. I already warned you, but I'm still sorry about it because I know it's annoying. But if you're really annoyed, you're probably gone already.